Hello! Today we are going to draw zinnias in a pot inspired by Clementine Hunter. So we're going to draw the pot and then we're going to draw the zinnias in the pot and then we are going to add in some color. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to draw your pot. So at the bottom of my paper here I am going to draw my pot. So I'm first going to do, I want to leave a little room at the bottom because I'm going to kind of have a base to my pot. So I'm going to do a C shape here. And then I'm going to do a C shape here. And then I'm going to connect them with a curved line at the bottom. And then I'm going to do a C shape here but smaller, and a C shape here but a little smaller again. And then connect them with a line. And then I'm going to do a curved line here for the base of my pot. If you have a different type of pot that you want to draw, you could draw a different pot. If you want to have more like a square pot, you could try that. Also, you can add a handle, so I like to do a curved line, come back in, and then I do a second line on the inside, so you can see both lines of the handle, like that. And you can do another one on the other side to match if you want to. It almost looks like a little teacup. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start drawing my zinnias. So I'm going to fill my whole entire pot in paper with zinnias. They're not really going to be touching each other because I'm going to leave those empty spaces for some stems. So I'm going to do some cloud shapes for my zinnias. I'm not going to do as many bumps as I would normally do for a cloud. 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have about 5. You can do some small, some big if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to do more than 5, you definitely can. I'm going to do like a little tiny one right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's have a look. Okay, maybe I need some more here and here to fill those spaces. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's a nice big pot full of zinnias. Might even be too full, but that's okay because really we're just trying to get the practice in of drawing these flowers. So the next step is to add some details to our zinnias. You can keep them really simple if you want, or you can add in more lines. So I'm going to start by doing a circle. If you don't like the circle look, another way that you can do it is by drawing like 3 different teardrops in the middle. So I'm going to draw one facing this way, one this way, and one kind of like this way is another way you could do the center of your flower. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start adding the detail. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do curved lines like I'm adding petals until I get all the way around. There's one. Try to do as many as you fit. Now I'm going to start at the top of this one. Just keep adding until you get to the outside. Okay, now I can work on this one. I'm going to put a circle kind of shape around that one. all my flowers are filled in. Now it's time to add my stems. So I'm just going to do 2 little lines. Oh, oop, I did forget this one. I'm just going to do something basic for this one. Just do some lines like that. You're going to make sure your lines go all the way down. I'm going to actually draw with pencil so I can see where it would wind up and then I can erase. And you only want to go on the outside of the flowers, not through the inside. So go here, and then here. Okay, now I have all my stems and I can go ahead and begin to color my zinnias.